Look at this. Our little tree in the front. It did me a favor because I wanted to take it out anyway. Laid it down. Delta. Look at Delta. Hurricane Delta, the damage.
Point out, is that the brace that has been baked?
That is. That was. Look.
I don't feel good.
Woo. This is the middle of the road where I live. I mean, endless. The more you shine, the more trees and limbs like this. It's everywhere. Let me back up before one falls on me. Oh. Thank God there's no rain. That's one thing Delta didn't bring up, rain. But as far as wind, whoo! Non-stop Hurricane Delta. Look at that. Big Delta. Got the generator running in the back. Cable providers working fine. So I'm being able to keep up with my Fox, Bay News 9, not Bay News 9, Fox and CNN, the Weather Channel, my dog Hannity. Alright, I'm going to sleep. Tomorrow I'll take this tree apart, I guess.